Birmingham, I'm thrilled to be here today with something so special to share.
As many of you may know, every February we celebrate Black History Month by transforming one of our buses into a moving tribute to African American excellence. And this year we've taken it to a whole new level, and I can't wait to show you what we've been working on.
I want to remind you why this is so important. Birmingham has more than just a rich history. We have a vibrant present and a bright future shaped by the diverse voices and talents right here in our community.
The bus behind me isn't just a vehicle. It's not just a mode of transportation. It's a symbol of our city's journey, our progress, and our commitment to honoring those who continue to pave the way for each and every one of us.
This year's theme is Birmingham Has More in honor of the Birmingham Business Alliance's campaign. We've partnered with Pastor Mike Jr., Carmen Mays, Rickey Smiley, Roy Wood Jr., Dr. Adrienne Starks, Bobbie Knight, and the late legendary Willie Mays for this year's bus. As this bus travels through Jefferson County, it will serve as a mobile museum, educating and inspiring everyone who sees it. It's a reminder that Birmingham has more stories to tell, more history to honor, and more progress to make.
And remember, Birmingham has more, so much more to offer. And Max Transit is proud to be a part of sharing that message. Thank you so much for your support, and we will see you out on the roads.